A very good morning to respected teachers, respected principals, and my dear friends. I'm Gaurav Bhora from 4th Bodai National School, South. I'm here to talk about ultimate source of energy. Yes, you get it right, it's sun. Today we all are present here and able to do whatever activities. You know why? Because we all have energy to do so. Now tell me, from where we get this energy? Food, oxygen, water, and what else? There up in the high sky, we have the ultimate source of energy, which is sun. We eat food that can be grown with the help of sunlight. We breathe oxygen that can be generated from trees and plants. Sun is what makes water cycle work. Sun is life. With sun only life is present. Sun provides all living things with three basic needs: food, water, and oxygen. Sun is the only ultimate source of energy. Einstein said energy can't be created or destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to other. So, my dear friends, let's use the ultimate source of energy and make human life better and save nature. Solar energy can be converted and used in all possible fields. Can be used to generate electricity, can replace fuels, gases, batteries, can be used to cook food, heat water, heat buildings, etc. Almost everything is possible with it. Humans are creating water also with solar energy in desert. So value this valuable natural source of energy. Let's include this natural resource in all possible fields. Even when we talk about human health, solar energy plays a big role. Sun impacts our mental and physical health. It boosts our immunity, reduces blood pressure, strengthens bones, improves sleep quality, heals skin issues, kills bacteria, great for our eyes, removes depression, and many, many more. So, friends, daily take sun bath before 8 a.m. and after 5 p.m. and stay fit and fine. Let's make our earth a better place to live. Let's take a pledge today to save nature by using solar energy whenever possible. A big thanks to the ultimate source of energy, sun. Thank you, everyone. Please spread this awareness about solar energy. Thank you.